Hello, welcome back to my channel everyone. So today's video is gonna be a get ready with me. I do this look that I have on right now. At the beginning I didn't know what I was gonna do, but I started messing around with colors and this is what happened. So if you guys want to see how you can achieve this look, please keep on watching. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab this big brush that I have that I super love and grab Luna, which is one of the lightest colors I have in front of me right now. And I'm going to bring that all over my eye. Oh, I forgot to mention, Luna is from the Becky G collection with ColourPop. Okay, so I'm going to bring that in all over my eye. Same thing with the other one. I'm only going to work on one eye first so I don't have to take you guys through both of them. And that'll be this one because that'll make it easier for me to hold the mirror right here. Okay, so once that is done, the palette I want to use today is the Too Faced Then and Now palette. I received this as a Christmas gift and I couldn't be happier because I was looking at it right before Christmas. But I had already been buying so much makeup, I have to put a hold on myself, and I was able to go away without it. And little do you know, I got it for Christmas. So now we are gonna go ahead and grab my favorite blending brush. Actually, we're gonna use a contouring brush, this one, to mark the line, which is gonna be Ooh La La in black. So Ooh La La comes in two colors, and I'm gonna use the black one. And I'm going to draw this little line here. Can you guys see that? Yeah. It's okay if it's not that clean. Because we're going to go in with a blending brush. And I'm going to grab the other color from the Ooh La La, which is the creamy silvery. And I'm going to blend it with that. See how it's becoming a lot cleaner now? Okay. Now we are going to grab my other blending brush, which is the NYX. You guys already know about this one. And I'm going to grab the color Dirtbag from the Circa 1998, which is this one. Oh, I don't know if I pointed at Rizzo or Dirtbag, but I'm grabbing Dirtbag. And with Dirtbag, I'm going to start in the middle, blending inwards and outwards, inwards. Wow, this is such a pretty color. Ooh, I'm going to be using this more often. Don't be scared to take it in. I used to be really scared. I was like, oh my god, I'm going to ruin the whole look. Do not. It actually looks a lot nicer. And sometimes if you don't like it, if it's too much for you, you can always clean it up with a lighter tone. Okay. Now we are going to grab the concealer and a concealer brush. Which, no, not that one. Concealer brush, concealer brush. I don't know where my concealer brush is, so... Oh, line, here it is. So we're gonna do cut crease. So we're gonna go ahead and add some here. Open the eye. And that way it'll hit right on the space where you should be doing the cut. Okay, you don't have to take it all the way in because you will blend the color back in. And then what we're gonna do now is grab, let's see what colors I have on my Norvina palette. Okay, I'm gonna grab a rose gold, which is gonna be this one. And then I'm gonna grab that with this brush. Actually, I'm gonna grab it with the Norvina brush. So the palette comes with this brush. I'm gonna go ahead and dab it right in. That's a very similar color. There you go. Okay, and with a little angled brush like this, we're gonna bring in Dreamer, which is a lighter color, and bring it in this line. Grab that again. Now we're bringing very first blending brush and dipping it in NSF. Okay. We're grabbing a different brush and putting it inside a darker color is what I need. So I'll put in Ooh La La, the darker one, and bring it in like this. Right about what I wanted. Okay, I will now grab a flat brush to add color on the bottom lash line. So that's gonna be this little flat angled brush, and I'm gonna grab that same, no, I'm gonna grab a darker color. I'm gonna grab Drama, which is this purple tone, and I'm gonna also dip it in Dazzling. And then I'm gonna start off here. So just to put it on, then I'm gonna grab the blending brush that I used, the contouring brush I used to make a dark line, and blend it out to make it thicker. Okay, now we grab eyeliner. We're gonna do a couple of coats and then curl the eyelashes and then do like 100 coats more. Whoops. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and fix that. do the other eye and do the rest of my face with you guys. So I will be right back. Okay, love, so now that everything is done, you do want to go in with a clean brush and clean out any fallout that you might have, like that. Any glitter or anything like that. And once you're all done, then I'm going to grab my Hoola bronzer. And then I have this super cute angled brush that's like angled in like 3 ways. Looks like this. But any angled brush should do the job. Dip it here and you're gonna grab your mirror to make sure you get in the right place. Be sure to make the face, very important. Okay, do the same with the other side. Do the same with your forehead. What do I have there? And this is also really important. Do this right behind here and bring it in here. Now I'm gonna grab this little brush, and this is what I do my nose with. If I was to lose this brush, I would be in big trouble because it's the one that I've always used. Just a little bit. If you like it to look more chiseled, then you can add more. I don't like it to look like too fake, so I just do that. And then I'm gonna grab, you already know, my Nicole Guerrero from the Anastasia Beverly Hills. Where's that cute little brush that I love to death? Here you go. In my favorite color, Forever Lit. I don't know if I should do that color today. Okay, I'm gonna do Glow Getter. Goes more with the look. So first, I'm gonna do, oh my god, I just cleaned this brush and I washed them last night, but apparently they're still wet. Just really weird. Okay, let's do that again. Cupid's bow. Okay, now we're gonna do the tip of your nose and a little bit there. I'm gonna do Forever Young. Forever Young's a little more dramatic, so if you did it too thick, you can always clean it off. And then I'm gonna go into Forever Young and add it here in the inner corner. Bring it upwards a little bit. And then if you overdid it, you can always grab a clean brush and bring it back down. Okay, so then now I think my eyelashes are dry, so I can go in with the curler. Last but not least, we grab the Becca blush. I swear all these brushes are still wet. I'm just gonna grab this one. Blend them all together, and then last but not least, we're gonna do our lips. So these colors were very popular last time that I put them up on Instagram, so I am gonna go ahead and do that again. So I use both of them. They're from Glitter Flip from Ciate, London. First, I start off with the dark color. And then I go to the lighter one, which is called Candy, and put it on right on top. And that is on. So now I will go ahead and do my hair, put on my outfit, and I will be right back with you guys. So this is the finished look, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for staying until the end. And don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and as usual I will be linking my Instagram account down below, because if you guys are not following me there, you should be. That is all for today. Have a wonderful rest of your night or day wherever you are. Right here it is 5:42 and I'm about to go to my dinner, so wish me luck.